All right, so it's a beautiful Wednesday morning, and I have. Who is that? Is that Hunter?
Hello.
And who is this driving?
The other bearded guy.
Oh, the other bearded guy. So where are we going, guys?
We technically right now we're going to Blacksmith Coffee for this bearded guy back here.
Yeah.
The coffee snob himself is in the house.
Then we're gonna head up to Atlanta Motor Park, AMP, which is a really cool track, and we have our garage there, which we're gonna start training at that garage starting in July. These guys though, and a few others, are gonna be actually the first to get to do the training. So
Very excited. Stay tuned for more. You're pulling up to Atlanta Motorsport Park. So, we're at the Atlanta Motorsport Park with who other than
Hunter. Bearded Hunter.
the Bearded Hunter. How cool is that? So, beautiful day here. 20 some odd degrees. That's the building there. We have a training going on back here. So we're going to walk into the building and we'll show you that in a sec. Justin's sitting in a Ford.
special Ford, but it doesn't start.
Uh-oh. Doesn't start. Mach 1. Beautiful car. Here we are sitting up for a wash. Got Diego getting the hose all set up.
Yes, sir.
The louvers, as they say.
Maneuver the louver. So here we got Justin doing his one rag method. Justin, what's the insights behind this method?
You know, it's a method for quick detailing on a garage kept equipment van.
Well, back to the clay ball. Clay glove. Nitro. Is that new this year?
It's a new, new nitro clay glove.
Maybe a SEMA launch?
Works great.
very hard to see in here, very easy to pick on in here, and very obvious.
Bruce, what are you doing?
Nothing. What? No. Don't take a video. I don't want Justin to notice.
You got stuff in all your pockets.
No, there's nothing. I don't have anything in my pockets.
So we decided to make a quick little pit stop at the G-Technic Works Center. So let's walk on in. What do you think?
Welcome. This is a beautiful, beautiful place to be. G-Technic. No, that's my shirt. That's my shirt.
So last day in Georgia, I'm here at the Porsche Experience Center Hotel rooftop, and we have quite the view. Check this out. We got Bruce over here taking some pictures. What is he taking pictures of, you ask? Well, this beautiful building, beautiful track situation, and we have a wonderful aircraft coming in as well. Beautiful Boeing 757. So this is the rooftop bar in the Overland Hotel. Walking on over, beautiful views. Beautiful day here in Georgia. And we have none other than Justin Dean himself, KCX Master Extraordinaire.
You're welcome.
And we have the bearded hunter, the one and only. Look at this view, everyone.
Make sure I'm in it.
Look at these. Look at this, just surround sound views.